Hey friends, what's up? It's Kendall. I am going to do a room tour today. It was requested in one of the comments of my videos, so I'm going to show you guys my room. I just recently finished decorating it, so it's like a great time to show you guys. Let's get started. So this is the hallway my room is on. I just have a painting right here, and then you walk into my door. And then the first thing you see is my bed. These two pillows and this comforter is from Target, and then the pillows in the back are from Z Gallery. And then you come over to this side of my bed and I have my desk here where I work and I edit videos. I have a bunch of pictures of all of my friends up here. This is where I charge my phone at night, as well as my Apple Watch and stuff like that. Over on this side, I have some pictures up on the wall. Also, this thing, it like lights up, so that's pretty cool. And then I have my hanging chair, which I hang out in normally. I got this chair from World Market. The pillow is also from World Market. All of the frames above it are from Home Goods. That's my bin for dirty clothes. In front of my bed, I have my main dresser, and then the TV is gonna be above it. So I just have some pictures and then my change jar. But yeah, this is my main dresser. So I have like socks and stuff in here, underwear and stuff in there. And then all of my belts and swimsuits are gonna be in here. And I'm very color coordinated. So all my white shirts are gonna be in here. And then colored and blacks are gonna be in here. And then down below, I have all of my t-shirts. And then in this one, it's separated by sweatpants, shorts, and then athletic shorts. I have this full body mirror. So while we're at it, this top, it's from Free People. My belt and my pants are from Topshop. So a lot of my friends ask me where I got this mirror from, but actually my dad made it for me. Like, I can see my full outfit and stuff like that. This is my closet right here. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and you're probably gonna say I'm a shoe addict, but I kinda am. So I didn't have enough room on the shelves, so I had to put some of my shoes down here, and then they just follow up. I keep my everyday purse in that shelf. All of my jackets and sweatshirts are gonna be right here, and it's color coordinated. Goes pretty far back. I have another shelf for shoes right there. My skirts are gonna be here, and my jeans, and then my pants are gonna be right there. I have hats down there, and then on this side is gonna be my rompers, jumpsuits, and dresses. Which goes pretty far back. In the mirror, you walk into my bathroom. Everything in my bathroom is completely redone by my parents. So you have your mirror and the sink, and then you move on over here, and I have a full shower, and my towels are gonna be right there. So yeah, that's the bathroom. Alright guys, so that's it for the room tour. It was short. I don't have a very big bedroom, but I like to keep it nice and clean. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.